everyone, I'm Dr. Jillian Squire. I am a chiropractor and a certified MUTU trainer. And today I want to show you my 5 favorite exercises from the MUTU System Program, which is designed to help strengthen your deep core and your pelvic floor. So to start, we're going to start simple and then progress to the more challenging exercises. So the first one is from Core 1, the Core 1 video, the very first one. And it's called Squeeze and Find It. And this is honestly one of my favorite because I find in this exercise, you can truly kind of concentrate and focus on really feeling that pelvic floor tighten and turn on. There's not a bunch of extra movements that we're doing, and it's really effective. So for this one, what you're going to do, you have the yoga ball from the MUTU kit between your knees, and then you're going to take a deep breath in, and on your inhale, you're going to let everything open and relax, and then on your exhale, you're going to squeeze the ball. So it goes like this. You take a breath in, and then exhale, squeeze, tighten, and lift that pelvic floor, and then relax, and then take a deep breath in, open up, exhale, squeeze, and activate. One more breath in, exhale. Good. Great. So that's the first one. The second exercise, we're going to stay in this position. And you'll notice for these exercises, I'm using a bolster. And that's because when I do not use a bolster, I'm a rib thruster. So if I don't have a bolster underneath me, my rib cage tends to flare up. So a bolster, what that allows, it allows your rib cage to kind of shift down to sit in its good resting position. This keeps all the muscles in optimal length, which helps us to achieve a better contraction. Okay, so for this next exercise, this one's from the Core 2 workout, and it's called heel drop with arms. So we have our legs up to 90. If you feel like you're straining to keep them there, you can just bring them in a little tighter. And then all we're going to do is we're going to lower one heel down to the floor and at the same time lift the opposite arm. And of course, we're going to be doing this with proper contraction of our pelvic floor and proper breathing. So on our inhale, we're going to let everything open up and relax. So we're going to inhale here at the top. And then when we're doing the work of the exercise, we're going to exhale and engage. So deep breath in, then exhale, engage our pelvic floor lower, rest here, take a deep breath in, exhale, come up, and we'll do the other side, deep breath in, relax, exhale, and engage, relax, good, exhale and engage again, perfect. So that's how you do that one. Now for our third exercise, we're going to come up and we're going to do a progression from a Core 2 exercise, mini lamp post P, and the progression is called peeing dog with a flourish. So for this one, we're on all fours, and the movement is just we're going to lift one leg out to the side, in, and then up, and we're going to pump 3 times in the air. Okay? So we're going to start in this position. We're going to take a deep breath in and relax our pelvic floor. Then we're going to breathe out, engage, lift up that pelvic floor, drawing your lower abs out to the side, in and up. 1. And your heel should be flat to the sky, or your foot should be flat to the sky. Deep breath in, exhale. Good. Let's do that one more time each side. Breath in and relax. Breathe out and engage. Good. Last one. Breath in. Breathe out and engage. Good. And I really like about this exercise is that you can really feel that glute activation as you lift your leg up in the air or as you extend your hips there. And core is not just about our abdominals, right? Core is about, of course, it is about our abdominals, but it's also about our glutes and our lower back. And our glute muscles are a really important part of strengthening our pelvic floor. And another exercise that we're going to look at that with would be a squat. And a squat is one of the best exercises that we can do for glute strength. In terms of pelvic floor rehab, there are a few things you want to remember when you're doing a squat. So, number 1 is you don't want to squat down too low. So see where my hips are starting to turn in, my bum is starting to kind of curve inward. We don't want that. You want to squat down just so far before it starts to curve in and then come up. So with the squat, what you're doing is you're pretending like you're sitting back in a chair, and then you're lowering down, then you're pushing through like your midfoot and heel to come back up. In this position, your shin bones should be as vertical as they can be. They shouldn't be too far forward. There are a couple things you can do if you're having trouble with squatting. You can always use like a mini bolster or a rolled up towel even under your heels if you're having trouble getting deep into it, and this will allow you to really get down there. Also, if you're finding that you're too far forward, your upper body ends up going too far forward in your squat, you can take your MUTU System strap or any kind of strap and put it behind you like this, and then go down, and that will help keep your upper body more upright. With our breathing for this one, we want to make sure that on the easy part of this exercise, which is when we're sitting down, we're breathing in and relaxing, and then as we're coming up, we're engaging that pelvic floor and core and coming up. Okay, so let's do a few of those. So down, in, and then exhale. And then engage and lift. Okay, one more exercise to show you guys. The last one, this is from the Intensive 4 video, and it's called a lunge with a twist. So with lunges, we always want to remember that we're coming down, legs are at 90 degrees. Your back knee is pretty close to the floor, but it should not be resting on it. And so for this particular exercise, arms are straight out. We come in, we lunge, squeeze the ball, engage, rotate, and then come back up. Next leg goes down, engage. As we exhale, take deep breath in, go down, exhale, and out. And the last one. And up again. There you go, folks. Those are 5 of my favorite ones from the MUTU System program. Try them out and see how you enjoy them. Take care.